Okay, once again, we have a negative 3x, a bracket, which means this is a monomial, but inside the bracket we have how many terms? 1, 2. So that means we're going to have to distribute negative 3x to how many terms? 1, then 2. And when we distribute, we multiply using S and L, meaning we multiply the sign, we multiply the number, we multiply the letter. So let's go. A negative times a, this here is a positive. A negative times a positive gives us a negative. Then we say, we move on to the number. We say 3 times, there's a coefficient of 1 which is unseen there. 3 times 1 is 3. Then we move on to x times x squared. Now, with letters that have the same letter, when we are multiplying same letters, in other words, multiplying variables that have the same base, we keep that same base as it is. And then what do? We add the exponents. This comes from the law of exponents, law number 1. We keep the variable for the bases, and then we add the exponents. There's an unseen 1 there above the x. So we say 1 plus 2. I'm just writing that down so that you know what we are doing. Okay, we multiplied the sign, we got the negative. We multiplied the two numbers, 3 and 1, we got 3. We multiplied the letters x times x squared. We keep the variable that is the same. We add the exponent 1 plus 2. Then we move on to the distribution of negative 3x with positive 1. Using the same approach, negative times a positive, negative. 3 times 1, 3. Then the x is alone this time around, so we combine it with negative 3. Then finally, our answer that we write is negative 3x. Now, what's 1 plus 2? It's 3 to the power 3 minus what? Minus 3x. Now, can we subtract these two? No. Why? There are two terms now in our expression, but this x is raised to the power 3. This x is raised to the power 1. They have different exponents. Though they have the same variable, they have different exponents. So these are also unlike terms because their exponents are different, even though their variables are the same. So that is our answer. We leave it like that. Okay.